everyone thinks the market is in a bubble or the market is expensive. So is the market overvalued? Now, we don't believe so. If you look at the US markets, the majority of the performance over the last sort of 12 to 18 months has really been driven by the strong performance of the Magnificent Seven, the NVIDIAs and Amazon and Googles of the world. That performance was actually driven by very strong profit growth by those companies, and together with a multiple expansion in terms of the share prices. If you actually look at the chart on the left, this is US valuations, and basically, the current market is obviously looking expensive in terms of trading on maybe 23 times PE compared to its long-term average of about 19 times. But if you take out the Mag 7, the multiple of the market falls to about 18 to 19 times, which is really what it's been averaging over the last sort of 30 years. So we think the market is not expensive if you just ignore those 7 large stocks which have driven. And that's why we think that, you might see the indices maybe struggle to perform like they did in the last 2 years because of the weight of those 7 large stocks within the index. But we think beneath that, if you pick the right sort of more mid caps and small caps, you're going to do extremely well. Now, another measure of market sentiment is measured by IPO activity, which really has been the lowest this year in over 20 years. Now, if you look at the chart on the right, these are basically technology IPOs over the last sort of 15 years. And usually that signifies, if there's exuberance in the market. So as you can see in 2020 and 2021, you had 140 IPOs coming to the market, whereas this year we had 6, last year we had 6. This is not signs of market exuberance, but rather these are early stages of a bull market. And, when we get to those 2020 or 2021 levels, then you'll know you're in a bubble. So we believe we are many years away from that. And so the market, in our eyes, is not overvalued, but you obviously got to pick the right companies.